Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's good to have you here. And while you are here, if you have not subscribed, do where to subscribe and hit the notification button so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video. So today we are going to be talking about mindset, the right mindset to develop before starting an online business. Yes, it's something you need to develop before you start. It doesn't mean you can't get it right when you have started already, but it's better if you can start with the right mindset, because that is going to determine whether or not you succeed in your business. And I think it actually goes for every business, both online and offline. This is not the first online business I started. I started a business in 2019 and I failed. And why did I fail? Is what I'm going to be sharing here. The mistakes I made, the things I did and the things I didn't do, and the things I wished I did. So sit back, relax, and take note of the things that are really important to the growth of your business. So let's get on it. The right mindset to develop before starting an online business. So like I said before, back in 2019, I started a food blog. I was working 9 to 5, but I've always wanted to have an online business. So in just 3 months, I took my blog from nothing to 65 quality blog posts. And my blog started getting noticed. I started getting traffic, though not so much, but it was growing. But guess what? I stopped making recipes. I stopped writing blog posts. And eventually, that was it. Failed business. Looking back, I always feel like beating myself up all the time, because if I had continued working on my blog with the same energy I started with these 3 years down the line, since 2022, I would have had an established blog business, and that would have been awesome. But I failed. So working on this business and seeing it grow and seeing the things I am doing differently is the reason why I am doing this video on the right mindset to develop before starting an online business. So let's get on it. 1, I didn't invest in myself. I thought I could do it all alone with free help from the internet. I mean, everything is on the internet free of charge, right? I didn't need a coach. I didn't need a mentor. I didn't need to get a course. There was even a course that was selling at 95% discount is price. That is supposed to be just $5. I didn't buy it. It's not because I didn't have the money, but I didn't have the right mindset towards self-development and self-investment. And that is why I failed, because I didn't know where to channel my energy, what advice to take and which to ignore, because there were just too many information out there. The next thing is I wasn't so big on implementation. I spent a lot of time learning, piling up information, but very little implementing, and that eventually got me overwhelmed. I also had the shiny object syndrome. I was always looking to do the next big thing. I always thought something else was better than what I was doing already. I kept jumping from one big idea to another. Next thing is I was doing everything myself. I didn't outsource. I thought I could stand alone. I could succeed alone. I was a one-man army, one-woman army. I wanted to be the superwoman of my business, but it didn't work. The next thing is I wasn't resilient. Whenever I faced challenges, I found it difficult to get back on track. I could spend forever feeling depressed because something didn't produce the result I expected. And it doesn't work like that. Now, why is the mindset important? It has been discovered that your mindset plays a major role in the success or failure of whatever you are doing. Because success and failure starts from your mind. Your mind is your greatest asset. So it's important to reprogram your mind if you actually have the wrong mindset. The 3 mindsets you need to avoid is the limiting mindset, the negative mindset, and the scarcity mindset. Now, the limiting mindset, someone with that kind of mindset hold back from taking the action they know will move them forward. I can't do this. I am not good at this. I am not this. I am not that. They don't believe in themselves. They don't have confidence in themselves. They don't believe that they can get anything right. Then the next one is the negative mindset. People with this kind of mindset, they only see the negative side of everything. If you bring an idea to them, you can't hear anything good from them. Nothing positive can come out of their mouth. They are going for an interview. They already concluded in their mind that they are not going to get the job. They are starting a new business and they are already convinced that they will fail. They are going into a relationship and they are already foreseeing the breakup even before they start. Then you also have the people with the scarcity mindset. This set of people, they think that nothing is enough. No resources is enough. No time, no energy, no money. There is nothing, there's never enough of anything. So all of these mindsets mentioned above are bad mindsets and they won't take you anywhere. But the truth is, these are the mindset that most of us were brought up with. That is why we need mindset reprogramming. Some children were brought up with the mindset that we are poor people. We can never be rich. Don't even try to be rich. Some parents have already imbibed that in their children's brain, their mind, their life, their spirit. That don't bother. If you are trying to be rich, you are wasting your time. It's not possible. Now, 3 mindset that you must develop to help with your growth is the abundant mindset, the positive mindset, and the growth mindset. If you have a growth mindset or positive mindset, you will believe that there's always a way out of any situation. You don't see anything as impossible. You find a way to make it possible. Now, how can you reprogram your mindset? These are ways that you can reprogram your mindset, because reprogramming your mindset is the first step to achieving financial freedom. One way to reprogram your mindset is by positive affirmations. Make positive affirmations a part of your daily routine. Then take challenges. Challenge yourself regularly to overcome those limitations that you have set for yourself. Yes, you are the one that set those limitations for yourself. You are the one that told yourself that you are not this kind of person, you are that kind of person. The more of those limitations that you can challenge yourself to break, the more confidence you will have on yourself and the better you will do. Then also pay close attention to your spoken words. Stop saying words that demoralizes you. Stop saying words that weaken your ability to perform. Even if you don't believe it yet, keep speaking positive and empowering words about yourself. Something else is you need to replace can't in your dictionary and put yet. Instead of saying, I can't do it, say, I am yet to do this, but I will figure it out, and go to work, find a way to figure it out. Now cultivate the habit of reading self-help books, because the more books you read, the more you expand your brain capacity and the better you will get. Be ready to learn, unlearn and relearn. Don't say this is what I used to know and this is how I will always be. No, don't get stuck on any belief. Keep learning and growing. So now to get started on your business, like we have said, you must be the person who is ready to invest in yourself financially. Invest in your financial growth. You must be convinced that you can make money from the internet. Because if you are not convinced and you are doing it, it means you are just setting yourself up for failure. Then be determined to succeed no matter what. Refuse to give up. Just refuse to give up. No matter how frustrated you feel, don't give up. Ask yourself every day, what must I do today in my business to achieve the success I desire? And go out there and do it. Then another thing is, don't start e-commerce today and tomorrow you hear that people are succeeding with affiliate marketing and you jump out of your e-com business and start affiliate marketing. I'm not saying you can't have 2 businesses or more, but be sure that you are growing your present business to success first before you go on to another one. That is how you can grow. Then don't try to do everything yourself like me. Yes, why spend days and weeks trying to figure out how to edit a video or how to create graphics for your business when you can find someone who can do it for you better and faster? I mean, you will wear yourself out trying to figure out everything on your own. You can't do everything. You can't. So make sure to outsource tasks that you are not good at and focus on the most important tasks that you are good at in your business that will move your business forward. Because with the right mindset, there is no limit to the success you can achieve in your business. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button so you get notified whenever I drop a video, because I'm going to be dropping videos on different online businesses you can start and skills that you can learn that can help you to grow and make money online. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.